the very planet you live on. There are 3 words which start with the letter R, which I love. They are reduce, reuse, and recycle. Do you know why I love them so much? Because they are almost magical words. They can make all living things, as well as myself, be happier. And remember, if you apply the 3 R's rule, you will make me a much cleaner planet, with less contamination and where we can all enjoy a better life. Because, as you know, children can make the world of difference.
Good morning, my dear students, teachers and parents. Today we are celebrating Environment Day. Our Mother Earth who provides for us all that we are in need of. Our Mother Earth makes us physically strong and gives us all that we are in need of. Mother Earth provides us flowers, fruits and all that verdant grows. Today we will learn from our St. Francis, the patron of our school, how he took care of our Mother Earth. He is also known as the patron saint of ecology. Let us learn from him and imbibe the good virtues as St. Francis of Assisi has taught us. Let us take care of our Mother Earth, our common home. May God bless you.
O God, we thank you for this earth, our home, for the white sky and the blessed sun, for the salt sea and the running water, for the everlasting hills and the never-resting winds, for trees and the common grass under feet. We thank you for our senses by which we hear the songs of birds and see the splendor of the summer fields and taste of the autumn fruits and rejoice in the feel of the snow and smell the breath of the spring. Grant us a heart wide open to all this beauty and save our souls from being so blind that we pass unseen when even the common thorn bush is aflame with your glory. O God, our Creator, who lives and reigns forever and ever.
We thank you, Creator God, for the goodly heritage you offer us, from green downland to the deep salt seas, and for the abundant world we share with your creation. Keep us so mindful of its needs and those at all with whom we share, that open to your spirit we may discern and practice all that makes for its well-being. Through Jesus Christ our Lord. Thank you.
Search for a solution to stop pollution. Solutions are there to purify the air. Plant a tree which makes earth pollution free. Nature is like our mother. Like nature, there is no other. Thank you.
પ્રકૃતિ જેવી બીજી કોઈ કૃતિ નથી. ઈશ્વરની સર્વશ્રેષ્ઠ છે આ આકૃતિ. થઈ ના જાય કદી એની વિસ્મૃતિ. ચાલુ રાખીએ એના તરફ જાગૃતિ. આભાર.
Mother Earth never asked to pay for it, and instead we have to thankful to Mother Earth for this.
Next, we have to stop deforestation and we have to stop throwing our garbage, our waste in the water bodies. If we cannot save our environment, then we do not have to spoil it.
World Environment Day is celebrated every year on 5th June worldwide with a view to raise global awareness about the environment. Our environment is one of the most important aspects to survive on Earth. Environment plays an important role in healthy living of our existence on Earth.
As our patron saint of ecologists, St. Francis of Assisi says that a single sunbeam is enough to drive away all the shadows. Let's become that sunbeam and drive away all the bad shadows of dirt and pollution and make this world livable for all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Isha Mistry. I study in class 7th B. Today we are here to celebrate a most important day, which is World Environment Day. It is celebrated on 5th June every year.
The environment and the economy are really both two sides of the same coin. If we cannot sustain the environment, we cannot sustain ourselves. It is our collective and individual responsibility to preserve and tend to the world in which we all live. So use eco-friendly products and save our nature to save our life. Thank you.
Environment Day is celebrated by the whole world in order to spread awareness about the threat to the environment. Environment is the sum of total of all living and non-living elements which influence and affect the human life.
Due to the harmful effects of human activities on environment like pollution, overpopulation, global warming, etc., our planet has reached to unsustainable level. Therefore, it is our duty to lower the loss. Every individual can play a significant role in this solution.
Mother Earth.